Welcome to the School of Skill Development. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Excel? Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up your skills, this course has something for everyone. We are excited to introduce your instructor, Vicky Mishra, a seasoned teacher with 5 years of experience and a track record of teaching over 3,000 students. Vicky is also the founder of Vedanta Institute, dedicated to empowering learners worldwide. Let's take a closer look at what you'll learn in Vicky Mishra's Ultimate Excel course. Module 8, Introduction to Excel. We'll start with the basics. Get familiar with Excel's interface, understand key features, and learn how to navigate your way through spreadsheets like a pro. Module 2, Basic Functions and Formulas. Next up, we dive into Excel's powerful functions and formulas. From simple calculations to more complex functions, you'll master the essentials to streamline your work. Module 3, Data Entry and Formatting. Learn the best practices for data entry and discover how to format your data for maximum clarity and impact. We'll cover everything from self-formatting to data validation. Module 4, Advanced Features, Pivot Tables and VLOOKUP. Ready for something more advanced? We'll explore pivot tables to analyze and summarize your data, and VLOOKUP to find and match information across your spreadsheets. Module 5, Introduction to VBA and Automation. Step into the world of automation with an introduction to VBA. Learn how to write simple macros and automate repetitive tasks to save time and increase efficiency. Module 6, Real-World Applications and Projects. Put your skills to the test with real-world applications and projects. This module is all about applying what you've learned to practical scenarios and building your portfolio. And that's not all. We'll wrap up with a QA session where Vicky Mishra will answer your questions and help you with any challenges you might be facing. So, are you ready to become an Excel expert? Let's get started on this exciting journey with Vicky Mishra's Excel course at the School of Skill Development.